Hey there, homeowners. Ready to transform your bathroom into a luxurious retreat? Here's a quick guide to help you navigate the bathroom remodeling process successfully. First, assess your needs and goals. Do you need more space, better fixtures, or just an updated look? Identifying these will guide your choices. Next, let's talk budget. Create a realistic budget by listing your desired changes and researching costs. Prioritize key elements and keep the layout the same to save on plumbing and electrical work. Hiring the right contractors is crucial. Ask for recommendations, review portfolios, and ensure clear communication. Agree on materials and timelines to avoid surprises. When planning the layout and design, think about daily use, storage needs, and aesthetics. Optimize the layout for both functionality and visual appeal. Choose high-quality, durable materials like tiles, countertops, and fixtures. These should complement your design and meet your family's needs. For demolition and preparation, shut off the water supply, remove fixtures, and dispose of debris safely. Use protective gear and appropriate tools. Ensure proper plumbing and electrical work to meet code requirements and prevent future issues. Plan and install new walls with moisture-resistant materials. Choose suitable flooring options like tiles or vinyl for durability and comfort. Select mold-resistant paint and finishes to enhance your bathroom's look. Add final touches like fixtures and cabinet colors for a cohesive design. Maximize storage with tall cabinets and shelves. Choose cabinetry that combines functionality and style. Install showers, tubs, vanities, and sinks carefully. Ensure proper plumbing to avoid leaks. For lighting and ventilation, pick bright, energy-efficient lighting and ensure adequate ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. Conduct a final inspection to ensure everything meets expectations. Address any issues with a checklist for tiles, fixtures, paint, lighting, cabinetry, and grout. Finally, maintain your remodeled bathroom by regularly cleaning and addressing minor wear and tear. For significant issues, consult a professional. By following these steps, you can achieve a successful and satisfying bathroom remodel, creating a space that meets your needs and enhances your home. Thanks for watching.